Welcome to your hard step workout. Today we have 3 exercises that we're going to be doing 1 minute of each exercise. Once you've completed 1 minute of each exercise, we're going to take 60 seconds rest. Then we're going to repeat that circuit 3 total times. If you're ready to step up to the challenge, we're going to add additional height to our step. Great job everyone at completing your workout. We're going to slow everything down and go right into a 3-minute cool down of slow stepping at a nice easy pace. Is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. If you're interested in the product I used today, it's the number 39 Aerobic Stepper on Sunny Health and Fitness. And if you're interested in seeing any of our other workouts, check out all of our videos on social media. See you next time.